Hellcat.
Guys, welcome back again to my channel, and for today's video I'll be cooking a fish dish that was requested by one of our subscribers. So I hope that this video will be successful since medyo dugay-dugay na makaluto ko nga dish. So let's go! Hello everyone! For today's video we will be cooking one of my favorite dish as also requested by one of our subscriber. Escabeche. We'll be cooking escabeche. Okay, I don't know how to pronounce that one. So just bear with me. Okay. So here are the ingredients that we need. We have here carrots. We slice it julienne style slice, and we have ginger, garlic, onion, and a sili. Habang sili, green sili, and you will slice it. And also we have magic sarap, optional. We have fish, sugar, brown sugar, it's also optional. We have banana ketchup, dato puti, suka, and oil, of course, and oil. So all these ingredients are not sponsored. First thing we need to do is to put salt in the fish. Slice the fish first and put salt on it to add flavor. And it's either you put salt or a magic sarap. It's up to you. So magpriton ka sa isda. Put the fish in the pan. Make sure that the oil is hot. Okay? Sakto raya ang kainiton para dili mo pilit ang isda. So, init siya para dili mo pilit ang isda. Okay? And also, medyo hinayan ang inyong stove or ang fire para dili siya tayo mapapot. Sakto raya ang pagkakulo. Okay? So, as you can see, after pila ka minutes, ito na siyang ibalik. Wait until the other side will turn golden brown. Okay? And balihon po ng pitas. Oh, there you go. Yan. So, lami kayo siya nga pagka-brown. Golden brown. We need to fry the fish because after that one, we will make the sauce for escabeche. Okay, wait until the fish will be finished frying. So lower the heat of the pan. Remove it from the pan and set it aside because we need to cook first. We make a sauce for the fish for escabeche. Okay, there you go. But to make it more flavorful, we need to make the sauce. Okay, add a little bit amount of oil. Put the garlic and onion, and then ihalo siya until magisa siya maayo. Okay, kailangan to i-extract or pahumuton ang mantika. Okay? So mix it well, and then you can also add into it. Okay, wait, still. Onion and the garlic will also bring flavor to our dish. Okay, you can now add the sili and the ginger. I-mix siya maayo, and then you can now add ketchup. It's optional, guys. Either you use ketchup or brown sugar. Either you use ketchup or brown sugar for the sweet taste of our escabeche. And then you put the suka. Okay? I I choose the lot of Tisuka because it's more aslong. Yes, I like it. And then mix it thoroughly. Pagkalon na mo siya. In my different mangutag klase-klase sa escabeche na escabeche kadaghan kay sabaw. But I prefer escabeche nga gamay ra siya, maigo ra siya sa kadaghanon sa akong fish. You can add more fish and more salt. And then ipuhin ako butang ang carrots kay gusto ko og half cook nga carrots. Pero dili mo gusto half cook, you can put it after you put the ginger and the sili. You can do that one. Mix it properly. And then, tilawan ninyo siya if sakto na ba siya sa inyong panlasa. Okay, if you feel nga aslom ra siya, you can add brown sugar. And then, prepare the fish o iput na ninyo siya sa fish. Hindi mo na siyang i-topping sa fish. So yummy. Butanin nyo siya. And then, finish already. So that would be your escabeche. The taste of that, guys, is sweet and sour with a little bit spicy because of the sili and also the ginger. Yes. It smells good. It tastes good also. And so it's so delicious. Very simple, right? Quick to make and easy steps to follow also. And also I add garnish, though the carrots itself and the other ingredients can be garnished, but I put onion leaves to add color to our dish. Like that. The fish itself is nutritious as well as the carrots and the other spices that we add.
Basta friend ka lang ginagay. Sila ka nagpaharap ko din ako ikaw. Nag-what mo?
I'm not a liar, you know?
Nag-what mo mo ngayon?
Lying is bad, that's why.
Kamera ako sa bad. Marami.
Kaya man na kaputol.
Ako na po sunod. Ako. Ako comment kay Kwan. Aslong. Pero tamis na aslong. Kay
Sour man!
Escabeche dahil sa ilahan ay di aslong. Di bitaw? Di aslong sa mo ah. It's good to first start.
I also like the carrots because
Baon ako busog na
Okay, so guys, that's all for today. And
we'll see you on the next vlog!
If you like this video, give this a thumbs up by clicking the like button.